So now let's practice the rule that we learned before, which was a square root of c plus b square root of c is just you add the coefficients together and you keep it square root of c. So let's practice that rule. Well, here square root of 4 we should simplify, which is just 2, so 7 times 2 is 14, minus 5 root 3. And you can't simplify that any further. That is a number. It might look like a lot of numbers, but that's a number. 14 minus 5 root 3, yes, there is an approximation that you could give me as a decimal, but I'm looking for the exact solution. So that is exact. Number 2, I have the same thing in the square root. So I can just add the coefficients because I'm adding. So it's 8 root 11. Different bases, so some people might say, okay, well, just leave it like that and box it. Well, I can simplify root 80. And I can simplify this into the square root of, let's see, what goes into 80 that I know that's biggest? 16 I know goes in 5 times. So that's just 4 root 5. Now I'm adding 6 root 5 to 4 root 5, and I should add the coefficients, 10 root 5. So that could, in fact, be simplified further. Looking at these next ones, again, I'm looking to simplify to see if I can maybe get these to the same base. This is just square root of 4, square root of 5, square root of x squared. So simplifying that, I get 2x root 5 plus 3 root 5x. Well, now these are not common bases. So in fact, this is as far as I can simplify it. You might think, well, they both have square root of 5 in them, but they don't have square root of 5 and square root of x in them. So that is it for that. And this last one, simplifying. So square root of 250 is 50. So I can do 5x times 50 here, plus 33 times square root of 50. Now, square root of 50 and 50 are not the same base. So this just becomes 250x here, and this becomes 33 root 50 here. Now I can simplify further because the square root of 50 can be broken down into the square root of 25 times the square root of 2. I rewrite the rest of the problem. And this leaves me with 5 times 33, which is 165 root 2 plus 250x. And that is my solution.